Hi, my name is Joseph. Welcome to Ace Eat Serve. My cocktail is called Cask Carnage, made with Stranahan's Sherry Cask, as well as Diamond Peak. I chose the Stranahan's Sherry Cask and Diamond Peak because the Sherry Cask had the flavor I was going for my cocktail, and the Diamond Peak had a beautiful body and mouthfeel to it. For my build, I seasoned the barrel with Grand Marnier because I wanted some sweetness and some orange flavors in the background, and then did a cordial using absinthe and an Asian 5-spice, getting some of those Asian inspiration flavors in there. And used a blend of the Sherry Cask as well as the Diamond Peak. I take 2 ounces of that, stir it in yar, and then pour it over a large rock and zest with a lemon. I was excited to do a barrel-aged cocktail because I haven't done one before, but I was excited to build something, taste along the way, and then have the patience to be able to play with it later. Come try our cocktail, Cask Carnage, and vote for us for Barrel Royale. My name is Joseph at Ace Eat Serve.